The picturesque state of Meghalaya in northeast India boasts a stunning blend of rolling landscapes, rugged highlands, deep valleys, and extensive cave systems. With about 1,700 caves, of which 1,100 to 1,300 have been explored either completely or partially, it's an adventure paradise for spelunking enthusiasts. Here are the best 5 caves in Meghalaya that have been thoroughly explored. 1. Krem Lymput. Located about 4 hours by road from Guwahati near the village of Nongjri, Krem Lymput spans 6,642 meters. The entrance is somewhat hidden among stones and slopes blanketed by dense foliage. Known for its beautiful calcite formations, Mughal Room and trunk passage, Krem Lymput can be accessed via a main trunk passage that is 1 kilometer long. While there is no entrance fee, it's advisable to explore with a guide. 2. Krem Lymput. Near Cherrapunji, Krem Lymput measures 7.2 kilometers long, making it the 4th largest cave in India. Located 3.5 kilometers from the Cherrapunji bus stand at an altitude of 4,503 meters, the cave is an enticing challenge for adventure seekers. The entrance is about 10 feet above sea level, and inside, you'll find breathtaking stalagmite formations and a pool created by 5 rivers that merge within the cave. 3. Krem Lymput. Situated in the East Khasi Hills, Krem Lymput is one of the largest caves in India, stretching approximately 8.4 kilometers. Its limestone walls are adorned with unique fossilized crustacean shells and fish bones. Additionally, the cave houses various bats, spiders, and centipedes, with a small stream running through it, making it a popular spot for trekkers and photographers. 4. Krem Lymput. This limestone cave is found in the West Jaintia Hills district, specifically in the village of Lumshnong. Known for its stunning stalactite and stalagmite formations, Lymput Cave is also one of the longest explored caves in the region. Its archaeological significance extends back over 8,000 years, as it contains evidence of human habitation, making it a popular tourist destination. 5. Siju Caves. Known as the Bat Cave, Siju Cave is among the longest in the Indian subcontinent, measuring 4 kilometers. Its labyrinthine network features impressive stalagmites and stalactites, along with diverse species of bats and reptiles. Discovered in 1927 to have a consistent temperature of 26.4 degrees Celsius, Siju is a fascinating destination for nature lovers.
If you're an adventure lover eager to explore these incredible caves, consider reaching out. Travel with Chanda offers special packages in collaboration with local organizations. Don't forget to share your interest and subscribe for more exciting content. Until next time, it's your host Chanda signing off.